right, so you picked up yourself an ND, maybe a new or even a used one, and you jump in, drop the top, got some Elvis going, and wait, what's that? What is that light? Oh, that is obnoxious. Pass airbag off. Well, there's no passenger. Of course it's off. Okay, so if you have an ND, you know how just annoying that light is. It's so annoying to me. But MX5things has your answer, your solution. That's right. This happens to be the RF silhouette. That's the one I like. They got a bunch of different ones, and we're going to replace the old annoying one with the new one. Yep, it's Kilobyte here. And tools you're going to need. You're going to need a T10 Torx screwdriver or a bit. And I will try to keep these in frame for you. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You may or may not need a trim removal. This should be pretty quick. We'll find out. First, you want to pull this section off. I remember, right, it helped. Oh, and it's right, it's higher. There we go. I'm trying not to block you too much. Pop it forward, start on one side. And we'll do the same on the other. All right, that'll come right off. There's two Phillips screws. Pull those out, don't drop them. If you set them in the passenger's seat, don't forget them there and let someone sit on them. They might actually puncture your seat. Don't care about theirs, just ours. All right. So two Phillips screws are pulled. Okay, there is a clip right in here. Okay, gotta do a little blood, just like in one of the previous videos. Got it off. The clip is on the top, back here. Hopefully you can see this. Just push that down and it will come out. I'm hoping you'll see this. Hopefully the camera's gonna focus. Here and here are your T10s. Don't drop them under the seat or anything like that. And again, don't let anyone sit on them. All right, hopefully you aren't going to actually have someone sitting there when you're working on this. Okay. Got that. So what that does, now you've got three clips. So just gently lift up on those and do the same on the back, I am hoping. And hopefully they won't reclip while I'm doing it. Okay. Woo. And it literally fell out. Okay. It literally fell out. This is the old one. And this is the super cool new one. Ooh, same size. I think it'll work. So when you push it in, hear that? That clipped. And there you go. Now it's not lit, obviously, but now we'll take this piece, and it would have been good, but it's obvious which way it goes. You got rounded in there, so that must be how it goes. Clip. Make sure you get them all clipped, because you don't want to have to take it all apart again, especially with how difficult that plug is. Alright, it wasn't that bad, but it did draw blood. Alright, taking the small little T10 screws, keep it in camera, put those back in. So I turn it back just a little bit and then screw it in. I'm going to back, this one's really tight. I don't know if the thread's lined up. So let me turn it back. So I turn it counterclockwise until it is hopefully lined up, and then turn it clockwise to actually screw it in. Do not over tighten these. There it is. That's it. That's all I tightened them. Now we're going to put this plug back in. There are two pins, one on each side. Slide those in. Don't drop the screw. There we go. I turn it the same way. I turn it counterclockwise until it you'll feel it kind of pop in. I don't know how to really, there it goes. And then start turning it clockwise. And there that means your threads are lined. And again, don't over tighten. Tight enough not to rattle or work loose. Boom. Take your piece of trim. Snap that baby on. Man, it looks so much better. Back in the ND, gonna go put the top down, put some Elvis on, and enjoy not having that passenger light on. Now it actually looks good. All right, hopefully that was helpful. It's like a 10-minute job, 15 on the outside. A little more than that if you're making a video. But if you did find it helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and God bless.